All right, I'm here today to look at a lawn that I would like to call JS's lawn. It's a mixture of desirable and undesirable vegetation. It's got a lot of weeds, a lot of moss. JS is one of the things he was primarily hoping to get a solution to is all of the moss. We understand that moss is always prone to grow in East Tennessee anywhere that the lawn thins enough to give moss a chance. So it's under the canopies of all these trees. It's also the margins, really in moderate light. So the lawn is very, very thin. You've got some dormant summer perennial here, some Bermuda grass, I suspect, or nimblewheel, but I'm pretty confident it's Bermuda grass. A lot of sorted broadleaf, clover, and so forth. But the primary thing we're going to want to try to do for JS is to get the soil tested, try to figure out why it's producing undesirables instead of nurturing the fescues that I'm sure he's been trying to grow. If we use sulfur in the nutrient program, that will deter the moss and begin to serve as a suppressant for the moss. Assuming the section on the other side there is also in play here. I'm going to go back here and have a look at the back. This is much the same as there is in the front. Not quite so thin back here, but still we've got a blend of different grasses. Again, moss along the margins. A lot of shade back here. We may get 2 hours of sunlight in this section, which is a minimum to support growth of even our shade tolerant varieties. Just like this path. It's going down to a section down below here. Same situation. This is going to be, I'm pretty sure, pretty dense shade in here. Maybe moderate to dense, but the only way we can know whether an area with this amount of light can support turf is to test the soil, correct any deficiencies, plant a shade blend of shade grasses at the right time of the year, and then just try to nurture them and see what they do. Planting in the fall, see how they go through the first summer, which would be summer of 2019. So this is the challenge. I'm going to sign off now. I don't think we've got. Well, wait. Oh, this is a ground cover bed here. But there's a little extension of the area that I'm coming out of here. Solid moss, absolutely solid moss. Maybe our soil test will tell us something about this. There's enough light here that grass would grow, if all else being equal, all other things being okay. So this is what we're seeing. I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to get the soil coring tool out and probe around a little bit, collect some samples for perhaps later submission to our lab. So this is Mike Poole, Strength on Lawn Care, signing out.